Hello everyone, my name is Imchawa and my group member is Jackie Yang, Ki Chen Wei, and Ng Zijun. Today our group want to present about our project title is Cinema Ticket Booking Platform. I will introduce you to the movie ticket evaluation system, a comprehensive platform designed to simplify movie ticket booking for customer and provide the efficient management tools for administrator. First, user can easily browse movies, view showtime, select seats, and securely book the tickets through integrated platform payment system. A customer retrieve a e-ticket instantly after booking, and the features like account management and booking history enhance the overall user experience. Focus on administration part, and the second is administration. Administrators can manage the movies, schedule showtime, and oversee the seat availability. And the system generates the sale reports, enabling administrators to track the ticket sales and review. Administrator can manage the customer account to ensure the smooth operation. And with its user-friendly design and reviews the features, the movie ticket reservation system developed a seamless experience for the moviegoers and efficient management for the cinema operation. So for the second phase, it's about the primary stakeholders. I first to my team member.
So the primary stakeholder, the first is the customer. The customer have a role to end users booking tickets and manage accounts. For the customer needs a simple user-friendly interface, detailed movie info, secure booking history, and account management. So for the second is administrator. Next, for the role is manage back-end operation. For the need is efficient tools for manage movies, show time, and seat. Second is sales report generation and analytics. Customer account management and issue resource resolution. So for the third is business owners and cinema management. Roles is oversee finance, performance, and user experience. They need a clear insight into ticket sales, room operation, and a system that can grow with their business. So for the mentor for gathering user requirements, first is the interview. We spoke with customer administrator and managed to understand their needs and challenges. So for the second is survey and questionnaires. That's distributed together feedback from a large group about preference and pain points. So for the third is observation. We study how production system work to find areas we could improve. For the third is focus groups. We held discussion with user to brainstorm future and set priorities. So for the last mentor is prototyping and feedback. We create simple prototype, share them for testing, and use the feedback to refine our ideas. So I pass to Cheng Wei.
So, uh, we we have provide some sample question for the customer. The first one is, how do you book movie tickets now, and what problem do you have? The second one is, what features would make an online booking system better for you? The third is, it's important for you to see details movie inform like trailers or casts. The next one is, do you like having many payment option, and are you worried about security? The last one is how often do you look at your booking history or update your account? And the next one is for administrators. The first one is, how do you currently manage movie schedules and seats. The second one is what problem do you have faced when tracking ticket sales and revenue? The third one is how often do you update movie details or show times? The next one is what tools would make it easier to manage customer accounts? The last one is what is missing in your current system that would make you work easier? And the last one is the simple question for business owner and cinema management. The first one is what materials are most important for checking the system's performance? The second one is what important it is it for system to handle busy time easier? The one is do you need report you can customize? The next one is would you like tools for marketing or royalty programs? The last one is how do you make sure customer are happy and keep coming back? That's all for our sample question. Now we proceed the next part. It is benefit analysis. This part is calculate NPV and ROI. Now we can see in the screen is our discount rate is 6%. In the year 0, we can get the amount cost reduction and utilities and total loss and total cost. If we want to calculate the year 1 until year 3, we can using the below formula. It is net cash flow equals cost reduction plus revenue increase minus utilities and minus maintenance. In the year 1, we can got the 120,000. The second year we can get the 101,000. The year 3 we can get the 89,000. In the NPV we can using the formula inside the screen, and finally we can get the NPV is 50,120. And if we want to calculate the ROI, we can using the NPV divide total discounted cost and multiple 100. And finally, we can get the 70.9%. Now, I will pass the mic to my next team member. It is Lim Chao Wen.
So from this part, we want to discuss the use case diagram. So first, you can see from the left side is our customer part. And for customer, we got a login function, register, and view show time or select the seats. And next one is make payment. And the next is trade order. And the last one, add view function. And for the right hand side, we can see the administrator function part. And the first is login. Second is manage the movies. Third is schedule the show time. And the fourth is manage the seat availability. And number 5 is access the sales report. And the last one is manage the customer accounts. Okay, so for this part, we want to discuss about the class diagram. And the first is customer. In the customer table, we include the name, email, phone, and the customer ID, and how to create the account and update the customer details. And the second is about the administrator. Under administrator, we got admin ID, name, and manage the movie and manage the show time. And the relationship connect with the administrator is movie. In the movie table, we got movie ID, title, and description, and the rating, and get showtime function. And the second is showtime. Inside include the showtime ID, time, available seat, and the get seat function. And the third is about the seat available. Inside include the ID, row number, and the is available. And the next one is connect Start with the customer is booking. Inside include the ID and total amount, creating, booking, and the next one is payment. Is focus the function for customer and include the amount, payment date, and the process payment. So this is a class diagram, and we move to the next part is activity diagram. So in activity diagram, first part is for focus on the customer part is register the account. So for register account, and user need to enter their username, email address, and password, and then need to check their customer details. And if they update the wrongly customer details, need to return to the first step. And if successful, it will go to the next step is it can successfully register the account. The next is login. And so first, first step is user need to enter the username and password. And user, if key in the wrong password, need to return to the first step. And the next one is successfully log in, it will display the account options and user need to select an option and it will perform the selected actions. For the next one is customer can view the show time and select the seats. So first it will display user need to select a show time and it will display the seating arrangement and user need to select a seat and system will check the seat availability and if unavailable system user need to select again the seat and after select successful it will move to the payment part. So for the payment part customer need to select payment options and enter the payment details and after finish the payment it will generate the e-ticket for customer. And the next one is a user can track the order after they are finished their payment. User can view the order history and the system will display the order status and details for customer. And the last part for the customer is add the review. User can select a movie, then they have watched, and system will display a review form for the user, and user can enter the review text and rating, then submit the form. The next part we move to the admin part. First is about the login. Admin need to enter their username and password, and system will verify that, and successfully they will direct log into the system. Next, user can manage the movie. Admin need to select a manage movie option, and then admin can add, update, or delete the movie, and need to complete the conform relation. After complete it, it will direct move to the next part. And for the next part is about the schedule the showtime, and user need to select the schedule showtime option, and admin can add, update, or delete the showtime, and also set if the previous part it to confirm the confirmation. After finish you will move to the next part. And then the next part is manage the seat available, and we need to select the manage seat available options, and we need to select a show time. And after select, we can view and update the seat availability using the seating chart, and then we need to save the change and update the status. The next part is access the sales report. And we can first need to select access sales report options, and we need to input a date range, example like the time for the movie, and after that system will generate and display the download sales report to administrator. And the last part for the admins is it can manage the customer account. So first need to manage the need to select the manage customer account options, and you need to just search for and we need to search for a customer, and it can view the customer details and resolve the account issue if the customer need to update their details and save change them. Okay, now I pass to my team member, Zejun.
About the customer can register and log in. Customer also can browse and filter available movies. Customer can select show times and seats, and customer can make a payment via integrated payment gateway. Last, customer can receive e-tickets and track orders. In administrator part, administrator can add, edit, or delete movies and show times. Administrator can monitor booking statistics and generate reports. Last, administrator can handle customer queries and accounts. Customer and administrator got same things, which is can booking system. Example, cancel booking, add booking, view booking, and edit booking. Next, in customer part, customer can have many bookings, and administrator can manage many customer booking and movie showtime and the showtimes. Movie got many showtimes, and in the showtimes got many seats. Showtimes will get many booking, and then booking payment. Okay, next. In new user, in customer can register. After register, they can log in. To the system. They can check booking history and display order status. Customer also can display account option and select an option. Perform the selected actors. Also can display available showtime. Select showtime and select seats. If seat available, then they can make payment. Display payment option. Enters payment information. Then they will get a e-ticket. In admin part, admin can register and log in. Then they can manage customer account, search customer, and view customer details. They also can manage report, social range, and generable sales report, and display and download report. Admin also can manage seats, select show times, view seat availability, and update seat available. Then they can save change. Okay, thank you.
That's all for our group 12. That's all for our group 12. Thank you for your listening.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.